Just made the payment using the crypto to the Propfirm in order to buy a challenge account because your card is not working, so you used a payment method as a crypto. But after a while you are seeing something like this: insufficient payment notification. Though your crypto has been deducted from your exchange or crypto wallet. Now out here, what is the solution in that case, which I'll be letting you know with the help of this video. Namaskar to all traders and welcome. This video will be on crypto payment to the Propfirms, or it applies to any merchant merchant site that accepts the crypto as the payment. Before moving ahead, in case if you have not subscribed the channel yet, then kindly consider subscribing the channel to stay updated on Propfirm related topics. One very popular issue that comes when you make a crypto payment, when you try to buy the challenge using a crypto payment, which obviously no one wants to see or wants to face, that is payment getting deducted from your exchange, from your wallet, but purchase is being not completed due to insufficient payment. But before understanding the solution, let's try to understand how this problem exactly occurs. Now there are three parties that is involved whenever you are making a crypto payment. First is merchant, that is in our case that is Propfirm, and second is payment gateway. Now payment gateway and merchant is not same. Payment gateway is something like Coinbase. You can see like coin something like whatever, like they have like Coinbase and all. Like there is a payment gateway for the crypto payment as well. There is a payment gateway which is a third party payment partner of the Propfirm, and there is other party, that is you are making the payment. You're not directly making the payment to the Propfirm, you are making the payment to the payment gateway. And this payment gateway will, like, once you make the full amount of payment, this payment gateway will trigger the order out here from the Propfirm. Then you will get your account. That's how something it works. So when you pay the full amount, at that time only, just understand the term out here, when to pay the full amount, exact amount what this payment gateway is asking, at that time only that payment gateway will trigger or process the order. Less payment, if you make less payment, like then what this payment gateway is asking, then that insufficient notification will come out. Like even if you have, like, your amount is deducted, of course you have already made the transfer, the crypto will be deducted from your exchange, but your order will not process because the amount that you had sent, it's with the payment gateway only, and it have not yet triggered the purchase because like they have not yet received the full amount in this payment gateway thing. Now less payment, how it can happen? It can happen by, like, sometimes what happens, we don't add the network fees, because like whenever you are making a crypto payment, you have to, like, there is a crypto network fees that is charged, like $1 to, it can be $1 to $5 depending on the network that you are choosing. So every crypto transaction have a transaction fees that is known as network fees out here. So sometimes we forget to add the network fee, so at that time we get that insufficient notification. And the second reason can be forgetting to add the, so like you know that you have to add the network fee, you have added it manually. Okay, now sometimes even if you miss by 0.001 USDT or like USD 0.001, even after the decimal also you have to make it count very, like you have to send the exact amount. Even 0.001 USDT also matters. Even if you send that much amount also less, even if you send 1 cent also less in the payment gateway, they will not trigger the account, they will not trigger the purchase. So that is something, that is also, like, that also matters out here. So make sure to send the exact amount, like whenever you are doing, make sure to include even like all the digits after the points as well whenever you are sending the crypto, because it matters out here. Now the solution is, like, there is two solutions. That is, one is, like you pay the remaining amount, whatever the remaining amount. Say for example, they will say, like, you have sent $1 less, 1 USDT less or something, whatever the remaining amount is there, because they have a time frame, right? Like whenever you are making the crypto payment, they have a time frame of like a time frame. Within that time frame, if you can send, you can send like whatever the remaining amount is there, like you can send. However, like you will have to pay extra fees as well, extra network fees as well as a network charge. You will have to pay that, and in total, like for just to send $1, you will have to send like sometimes like $5, $6 and all. And sometimes even that thing, like there is a minimum transaction limit in the Binance exchange or like crypto wallet, any crypto wallet, that $10, less than $10 you cannot send or something like that. If this kind of things happens, you cannot send the full amount and you are getting the insufficient payment notification, and like whatever the amount it is showing there, and when you are trying to send but your exchange is not allowing you to make that low amount of transfer, then what you can do is you can connect with the customer support of the Propfirm. Okay, that is the second solution. You can connect with the customer support of the Propfirm, share the screenshot of the payment gateway which is showing the notification, because like it's very important that you do not close the payment gateway page when you are making the crypto transfer until and unless transaction is completed. So just share that screenshot to the Propfirm that I have met the payment but it is showing insufficient payment. Like just try to negotiate with them. Like sometimes they agree on that if you try to negotiate with them. Sometimes most of the Propfirm, like some Propfirms don't agree with that. On that case, what you can do, you can connect with the customer support of the payment gateway that they are using and tell them that I have sent you this payment, but like due to insufficient payment I'm not able to like get my purchase, get my order. So like in that case, what they do, like they will usually like they will refund your crypto, whatever the amount that you have sent, deducting the network fees. They will refund your crypto within 2 to 5 days. So that is the thing. You can wait, like sometimes they refund it automatically also. You don't have to connect with the customer support and all. However, it's my personal suggestion that you connect with the customer support and tell them that you have met the crypto payment, however it is showing insufficient payment. So just tell them to refund it, so that like later on, like once I get the refund, I'll send the full amount once again and purchase the account. So once you get the refund, you can apply the account again. So that is something, this is something like which is like kind of very lengthy process. It's going to take a long time, because in order to get the refund only, it will take like 2 to 5 days. So make sure that in the first place itself you do not do this mistake. Make sure to send the exact amount that the payment gateway is asking. Include the network fee as extra. Say for example $100. Say for example payment gateway is asking $100, 100.001 USDT, 100.001 USDT. Okay, now your exchange is asking the network fee of $1. So make sure you send 101.001 from your exchange, so that $1 will be deducted as the crypto fees, network fees, transaction fees, and this payment gateway will receive the 100.001 as the payment. Then only your order will get triggered. You can send some extra amount if you are in doubt, like some like a few points or some like $1, $2 extra you can send, so that like it can process, like so that you will be in the safe place. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining in. This is it about what you have to do when you get an insufficient payment notification when you have met the crypto payment to Propfirm or any merchant site. Thank you.